Today, guys, we got a Cessna 206 in here, and we've jacked it up. He says he has a no shimmy problem, so we're going to take the fairing off of it and take the wheel off, rebalance it, and make sure that's what the problem is. So we'll start there. So now that we have it on a bouncer, you can see how bad it really is. And that's really pretty bad, but we'll wait till it stops so we can get the most weight at the bottom. That way I can add on my little weights here, and then we'll try it out and make sure that that I did a good job. So now that it has stopped, we take our gloves off here. Get a couple of these weights that I have. Some are 1/4 ounce weights, some are 1/2 ounce weights. We'll start with 3/4 ounce weights first. So we'll put this up in here and tape it up. And this may not work the first time, and it might work the first time. It just depends on how you hold your tongue on this one. All right, so we'll move it. So it still moves, so that means I got to go to heavier weights. No movement. Very little movement. I'll say that's about as close as we're going to get. So we'll add this weight on there. We'll put some sticky on it. We'll put some RTV to make sure that it doesn't come off. Put him back on there and be good to go. If a pilot comes in and says that they have a shimmy and they're kind of unnerved about it, and that's pretty much all it is right there, man. Thank you, and we'll catch you again later.